Well, hello there. Today I'm at the Robbins Farmers Days in Robbins, North Carolina, and I just did a video of the horse parade, and right here's the tractor show. So I'm gonna do a little video of the tractor show here. Take a look. They got a Kubota tent there set up. It's like a whole bunch of tractors here. Kubota zero turn, compact or with backhoe. There's a Farmall Super MTA. Here, hold the wagon. That John Deere over there just started up. John Deere and the sediment bowl. There's a Massey Ferguson 135. So we brought their wagon today, not the blue Jeep. So International Farmall 140. New Holland Workmaster. There's a Sears 12 tractor with a little wagon on it. What's happening over there? Big John Deere float. 4020 diesel with a loader. When you eat, think of farmer. He's letting all these little kids run it. That's cool. International 544 Farmall. Farmall 300. A good friend of mine, Ron Ray in Pennsylvania, had one of these. Ooh, what's this one? Looks like a C or a Super C made into a dragger. Little red. An Oliver 550. So I'd say it was a Super C made into a pulling tractor. Flames and little red. A nice little when you eat, think farmer. John Deere 4020 diesel. It's a pretty tractor. There's Water Tower Robbins NC. Look at that motorcycle over there. That thing's cool looking. Harley Davidson trike. Real nice paint job on it. That thing's cool. Got a lot of tractors yet to show you. Here's a little Shriner car. An old Case. 1949 Case 50. A John Deere 60. '56 John Deere 60. John Deere 70. John Deere G. John Deere 60. I don't know what this one is. It's cool looking though. This thing's big. It's a great big one. John Deere 730 diesel. Pedal tractor. Another John Deere G. John Deere 40. It's like an M, or it's a 40, John Deere 40. There's an old Kenworth painted up John Deere green and yellow. Old Peterbilt cab over. There's another Kenworth. Here's a picture of that. It's a long one. Scott's Deere Processing. Massey Ferguson compact tractor. This is 1835. There's some free advertising for Scott's Deere Processing. Robbins NC. Ford 4600 with a umbrella. Ford 5000. Farmall M. Farmall Super A, really nice one. 1953 Super A. And the 1270 white. 1974. Here's a 1750 Oliver. 1968. An 1850. 1965. There's a Ford back there. $66.10. 72 Oliver 1265. T110 white. That's a big one. Oliver 1650. 1969. Oliver 1365 diesel. That's a nice Oliver there. John Deere 430. Farmall 1066. Oliver 1850. 1066 Farmall with turbo. Oliver 1850. Yeah, it's a nice little Oliver 440. John Deere row. Electric vehicle charging station. And that's all the tractors they got there. Let's keep doing here a little bit, show you a little bit of the Farmers Day Festival here. Big street festival. There's a big purple monkey. Funnel cakes, cotton candy, ice cream. There's them aliens. They got a dunk tank. An old train car. That's cool. Chicks Mountaineer Farms.
Good, how are you? Good. See, I know that.
There's a giant inflatable lemon. So there go a bunch of the horses from earlier. There's some nice paintings. Well, that's all I'm going to show of the Robbins Farmer Day Festival for now. I'm going to cut this video off because it's a real pain having to hold the phone and pull the wagon and all this stuff. But, everybody please like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. I'm going to have another video coming up with the tractor parade here after a while. Have a great day.